Hello kids, today you are going to learn a story. The story is about Buzzy the baby bug. So let's meet Buzzy the baby bug. Buzzy is a baby bug. This is his mum. Mum has a nap. Buzzy the baby bug can see a rug with a tuck here and a tuck there. He gets the rug. Buzzy the baby bug can see a jug and a mug with a tuck here and a tuck there. He gets the jug and the mug with a tug here and a tug there. He gets the jug and the mug. Buzzy the baby bug can see pretty birds and a big bun. Yum! With the tug here and a tug there. He gets the pretty birds and the big bun. Oh, what a fun! Says Buzzy. He yums with the joy. Mum is up. Oh, Buzzy, says Mum. This is so pretty. Happy birthday, Mum, says Buzzy. I did this for you. Mum hugs Buzzy. Hope you like the story. And you have to revise use sound word which were used in the story. Bye bye for now.